So we are going for the commercial unit of energy, that is nothing else but 1 kilowatt hour. So 1 kilo means 1000 watts hour. Okay, and if you want to go for hours, like we have to go for like okay 1 hour. I will write it, 1 hour 1000 watts into 1 hour we need to cover 2 seconds, that is 3600 seconds. Now it will be 3.6 into 10 to the power of, like you can say 1 2 3 4 5 6, 10 to the power of 6 watt seconds. Okay, this watt seconds is nothing else but joules. So 3.6 into 10 to the power of 6 joules. Okay, this is the energy consumption. We can give you for the kilowatt hour also. We can also write in the terms of joules. If at all we have been asked in the joules, this is the expressions. So 1 kilowatt hour, if you are writing in a terms of joules, it is 3.6 into 10 to the power of 6 joules. Okay, let us take one numerical on this one. Okay, let us take one numerical where you have been asked to find out about the refrigerators, which is 400 watts. Okay, and which is like calculating for 8 hours per day. Okay. Like this is an example, like refrigerator will be running for continuous, it will be running, but for a calculation we are taking, it is running for 8 hours per day. So what is the cost of the energy to operate it for 30 days at 3 rupees per kilowatt? The rate has been given. How per unit and how per each unit the rate will be there. Since there is certain amount is been also given, we can also calculate this. Okay, let us start. That power consumption is what? How much power? Power is nothing else but it is V into power will be given in watt, right? So first we need to convert the energy consumption. It will be power into time. Power is how much? Energy of what? It is refrigerator. Power is how much? It is 400 watts. And operated for time is how much? 8 hours per day. So this is energy consumption. This is per day. This is per day it is consumption. So 400 watts into 8 hours. So this will be 8 for the 3200 watt hours. Okay, this is the watt hours. Now we need to cover this one to kilowatt hour. Now if what we how you will do it with kilowatt hour, when you are doing with kilowatt hours, this is watt hours, then you have to divide this ones into kilowatt hours. Okay, 1 second. Okay, we have to divide this one with now this per day, this is per day, but here we have been asked to find out for cost of energy to operate for 30 days. So when it comes, we need to multiply with this one with 30 days. Why? Because this is per day. So it will be 3200 into 30, and this will be 326900. This is watt hour. First we have calculated the watt into hour, that is 3200. We have calculated per day into per month, that is for 30 days. Now this is in watt hour. Now what you have to do to convert to kilowatt hour, you need to divide with 1000. When you divide with thousands, right, it will be 96 kilowatt hour. Okay. Now, right, we got 96 kilowatt hour. Right. Now what is asking? The cost of the energy. This is the energy that we got. Kilowatt hour. Like energy will be mentioned in kilowatt hour. The energy we got is 96 kilowatts per hour, and for 30 days. And he has given for 3 rupees per kilowatt per kilowatts. Now what we want? The cost of the energy, right? Cost of the energy of refrigerator for 30 days. That is nothing else but 96 into 96 kilowatt hour into 3 rupees per kilowatt hour, 3 rupees. So, okay. Okay, you can multiply with 3 rupees. So you will be getting like 3 6 are 8, okay, this is nothing else but cost of rupees. So rupees 288 is the cost when 400 watts of refrigerator is running for 8 hours per day. Okay, this is how you have to calculate. If at all your Benny generations also you can take, like how many units it has been done. Okay, how many units? 1 unit is equal to how much? 1 kilowatt hour. So if it is the 10 units, 10 units, per unit the rate will be given. Per unit that rate will be given like 3 rupees, 5 rupees. According to that you need to multiply and that. Before that you have to get whatever the given, you have to get it into kilowatt hours. Then you need to multiply the amount and you will get the total amounts or the energy consumption. So this is how you have to do, right? Okay, this is the end of the day 7, that power, and this is the last topic for your chapters. Thank you.